Hello, welcome to Shanghai Threewen. This is our newest product, Windshield cover for Mercedes Sprinter 2020 Plus Van. It is made by 5-layer material. Outside silver is nylon lipstop fabric, which is for UV blocker. Middle layer is foam laminated with both sides aluminum foil. Inside black is Oxford material, which is to against light coming. Here you can see there are 3 pieces of hard fiberglass rolls inside the windshield cover to support the cover in good shape. This slot is to fit your Sprinter van rear view mirror. There are 4 pieces and 48 magnets inside. You can see we are tested the magnets here. Beside this cover, we have whole set Sprinter van window covers and 10-seat van window covers. We are the manufacturer who focus on customize the different RV and van window covers. Welcome for all your inquiries. Thank you.